Hello again. Madison here to talk to you about the REGEN Premier Facial Membership. Are you tired of dull, aging skin? Do you want to restore your natural glow and rejuvenate your complexion? Look no further than our REGEN Premier Facial Membership. This membership adds to the above facial membership exosums with every facial. This is definitely not the facials your grandparents knew. These facials deliver the latest science has to offer. The REGEN Premier Facial Membership includes the Aquafirm XS Facial with exosums, 4 treatments per year, our Laser Glow Facial twice per year, and our Observe 520 Skin Analysis System twice per year. Your investment is $134 per month, automatically billed to your credit card. It saves you $846 per year based on non-membership pricing, and added bonuses include 15% off all other products and services we offer, as well as members-only monthly offers and invitations to members-only events. The benefits of the Aquafirm XS include it deeply cleans the skin, removing dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. This facial provides intense hydration to the skin, helping to improve the skin's overall moisture balance and leaving it feeling soft and supple. Anti-aging benefits. Our proprietary serums derived from ancient Ayurvedic principles are formulated to reward the skin with what it needs most. These serums correspond to the skin's needs and are specifically designed to revitalize the appearance of the skin and defend against aging, thus helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving the skin a more youthful and radiant appearance over time. Brightening. This facial can help to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots, leaving the skin looking brighter and more radiant. Gentle exfoliation. The Aquafirm XS Facial includes a gentle exfoliation treatment that helps to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother, more radiant skin underneath. In addition to the skincare benefits, many of our clients find it to be a relaxing experience. Improved skin texture. This facial can help to improve the texture of the skin, leaving it looking smoother and more even. Customizable. The facial can be customized to target specific skin concerns, making it suitable for a wide range of skin types to hydrate and firm your skin, leaving it looking radiant and rejuvenated. And you'll receive 27 billion exosums with each facial. What are exosums? Exosums can help the skin heal itself naturally and rebuild itself over time. They can help repair damaged skin cells, damaged hair follicles, and tissue. Exosums can increase collagen levels by up to 6 times and elastin levels by up to 300 times in treated areas. This can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots, and improve skin brightness and hydration. Exosums can improve skin texture, tone, and firmness, and reduce the size of pores. Exosums can help treat sensitive skin conditions like rosacea and melasma by boosting the body's natural healing processes. Exosums can reduce skin redness and irritation. You can see why exosums are so popular in our treatments. In addition, you will receive 2 laser glow facials, which help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and improve overall skin tone and texture, as well as stimulating collagen and elastin production. And let's not forget about our Observe 520 Facial Analysis System, which you will receive twice per year. This advanced technology imaging system allows our experts to assess your skin's needs accurately and tailor your treatments accordingly. As you can see, we have packed a lot into our REGEN Premier Facial Membership. You'll receive the Aquafirm XS Facial with exosums 4 times per year, the Laser Glow Facial 2 times per year, the incredible Observe 520 Skin Analysis System twice per year, as well as our bonus features, 15% off all services and products we offer, as well as members-only monthly specials and invitations to special events. All of this for a monthly investment of $134, saving you $846 based on what non-members would pay. There are no enrollment fees, and unlike others, you can cancel anytime. We do this because we know that you will be thrilled with the results each time you look in the mirror. So schedule a consultation today or fill out the Contact Us form at the bottom of the page, and we will get in touch. You can find more information in our membership agreement link on this page. We look forward to discovering the younger you at Piney Woods Aesthetics. Be well.